The AI Advantage for Small Business. A 900-word spoken-style summary based on your 45-minute CrossIT Chamber presentation. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm K. Brad Barfield, member of the CrossIT Area Chamber of Commerce Board of Directors and local business owner. Today, we're talking about the AI Advantage for Small Business, how local companies can use artificial intelligence to work smarter, not harder. Now, I'm not here to turn you into computer programmers. I'm here to show you how to use these new tools to save time, get organized, and maybe even make work a little more fun. Think of this session as a walkthrough of what's happening right now, not 10 years from now, and how it applies to us in South Arkansas. What is AI? Let's start with a simple definition. Quote, AI is software that learns from patterns in text, images, and data. It doesn't think. It predicts the next best answer, sentence, or design based on what it's seen before. That's it. No magic, no mind reading. It just predicts what usually comes next. When we talk to AI tools like ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot, we're steering a prediction engine. The better the steering, the better the results. I like to show people a ChatGPT screen here for 10 seconds. You see a blinking cursor like any other chat window. That's the frontier right now, just text that can understand context. The toolbox. Let's look at a few of the players in this space. Microsoft Copilot lives inside Word, Outlook, and Excel. OpenAI's ChatGPT is the conversational one that started all this. Adobe Photoshop and Premiere Rush now include generative fill and auto-edit features that save hours. Google's Gemini, Notebook LM, and AI Studio help organize documents and build custom assistants. xAI's Grok, Anthropic's Claude, and DeepSeek in China are other fast-moving examples. The point isn't to memorize them, it's to realize we now have a toolbox of minds. Each does something slightly different. Digitizing the real world. Before we can use AI, we have to feed it something. Our phones are already the bridge. The camera and voice recorder are your new keyboard. If you take a clear picture of a sign, a book page, or a handwritten note, you can use your phone's Grab Text from Image feature to copy that text and paste it into ChatGPT. I like to say, shade is your friend. Take the picture in even light, then paste that text into your AI and ask it to summarize or rewrite. Same thing with voice memos. On iPhone, tap the 3 dots, choose Copy Transcript, and drop that text into an AI chat. Suddenly, that long meeting or interview becomes searchable, editable, usable. How we got here. From 2023 to 2025, we went from novelty to necessity. 2 years ago, AI was the punchline of a tech blog. Now it's baked into Outlook, Photoshop, and search engines. The pace is astonishing, and small businesses don't have to be left behind. Building context and pattern. The key to using AI well is context. The more examples you feed it, your emails, blog posts, or invoices, the more it learns your tone and needs. I might copy an email and say, write a polite reply in my style. It studies the rhythm of my words and keeps my voice consistent. Over time, that voice and data form a reliable base. AI is only as good as the information it's trained on, which brings us to the golden rule, GIGO, garbage in, garbage out. If you give it sloppy input, it'll give you confident nonsense. So always review, proof, and verify. AI should be your assistant, not your boss. Why it matters. For small businesses, time and clarity are everything. AI can summarize a 10-page document in 3 bullets. Draft social media captions that sound like you. Translate jargon into plain English for a client. Compare budgets between years in seconds. It's like hiring a digital intern that works 24/7 and never eats your snacks. Busting the myths. Let's clear up a few common myths. AI is too complicated. If you can text, you can prompt. AI will take my job. No, it takes your busy work. You keep the decisions. AI makes mistakes. Yes, so do people. The trick is pairing human judgment with machine speed. It costs too much. Most tools have free versions. ChatGPT Plus or Copilot are around $20 a month, cheaper than coffee habits. It's just a fad. It's already built into your phone and email. The question isn't if we'll use it, it's how intentionally we'll use it. Demos and use cases. If I was showing you live, here's what we'd see. Demo 1. Microsoft Copilot summarizes an email thread in Outlook. Demo 2. ChatGPT helps rewrite a Facebook post in your tone. Demo 3. Gemini plus Notebook LM analyze a PDF of your bylaws and explain them in plain English. Demo 4. OpenAI's custom GPTs let you build a branded assistant that knows your policies or pricing. Each one starts with your words. That's the power shift. You bring the expertise, AI brings the speed. Building your voice. You can even teach AI your writing style. Upload 3 or 4 of your blog posts and say, "Learn my tone, then draft me a new one about this week's topic." Suddenly, your content pipeline doubles with half the effort. Remember, we're not replacing ourselves, we're extending ourselves. The local connection. Crossett has always been innovative. Cap Gates and the Crossett Lumber Company brought steam, rail, and vision to a wilderness. Today, fiber optics and AI are the new railroads. Quote, AI isn't replacing local business. It's giving small towns their competitive edge back. When we use these tools wisely, we keep our independence and multiply our reach. Call to action. If you remember nothing else today, remember this line. The goal isn't to master AI. It's to start using it. Try one small thing tonight. Summarize a real email. Paste a paragraph from your website and ask AI to make it clearer. Upload a PDF and say, "Explain this in plain English." Those tiny experiments are how adoption starts. Closing. So that's our hour. A simple roadmap for working smarter with AI. The tools are ready, the opportunity is real, and the future, once again, belongs to the people willing to pick up new tools and see what they can build. Thank you for being here, for asking questions, and for keeping Crossett's spirit of innovation alive.